Hey guys, welcome back to another JonnyTech video. Today I'll be covering AI being used in the video game industry. I'll be talking about the controversies, the challenges, and the opportunities in elevating the industry. It's not all bad, I promise. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to share with your friends. Let's get into it. What if I told you slowly but surely AI is rewriting the rules of video gaming? From crafting massive open worlds to creating firestorms in terms of ethics, replacing video game actors and developers. AI is definitely here to stay, but is it the hero or villain that we think it is? Let's dive into the chaos, the controversy, and the crazy opportunities ahead.
私たちが本当に提供したいのは面白さ。その面白さにかけられる時間っていうのをとにかく増やしたい。インフラの低レイヤーな。
Now, AI isn't exactly flawless. Imagine NPCs walking into walls or just talking gibberish. When it comes to this, developers, I imagine, will face technical nightmares like rising AI costs, making sure they have the talent in order to train their AI models and LLMs, and also make sure their inference model is top notch.
We've seen this in science fiction. It's sort of like the holodeck from Star Trek, where you can just imagine any environment, the system will generate it for you, and then you can sort of...
Now, I'll definitely say there's some validity in video game actors saying AI is definitely bad vibes, and we've seen artists sue over AI using their likeness in things that they didn't give consent for.
The couple says that their livelihood was stolen by AI. Both Lerman and Sage were hired for voiceover work by...
As you can see, I am outside of Warner Brothers Games. Today is the first picket of our video game strike.
We're here today because the deal on the table from employers does not provide clear, transparent...
Now on to the more positive stuff. AI can generate entire universes and personalized quests for you. It can even predict viral hits, as we know. And NVIDIA's Ace turns NPCs into ChatGPT geniuses.
One area where AI is already having a significant impact is in character behavior and decision making. AI algorithms can be used to create more realistic and believable non-player characters that interact with players in more natural and dynamic ways.
I'd say arguably the barrier to entry is lowered for indie developers because they've got AI tools which allows them to access vast amounts of libraries, which reduces costs in terms of acquiring those assets.
What does Jabba smell like?
Jabba the Hutt smells like a mixture of spices and sweat.
What do you think of humans?
Oh, humans? Well, I have mixed feelings about you all.
Knowing hardcore gamers, I think they'll be resistant to change, which is fair enough. I think the challenge is for the video game publishers to make any content that they make, whether AI or not, to be compelling. Things like where games evolve as you play, or is tailored to a particular gaming style or level to a particular video gamer. The key here is making games feel more richer, weirder, wilder, and more alive. Not everyone is on board with the rapid adoption of AI in video games. There are definitely ethics and fears about the future of human creativity itself.
Flipping and turning and falling and on wires and doing all this stuff, they need to make sure that there's a medic on.
These concerns include data privacy, marketing practices by over-collecting player data, raising alarms on platforms. There's also job displacement, which has been debated, with fears AI could replace human artists and programmers, sparking industry discussions.
So far this year, to date, I've lost 75% of the work that I would have normally done up until now. And I am expecting that to get worse.
a bleak outlook for so many in their profession and beyond.
Despite these challenges and controversies, AI offers tremendous opportunities for innovation in both video game development and marketing. So let's look at some of these opportunities.
First co-playable character built with NVIDIA ACE, fostering unpredictable social interactions that create a rich and dynamic story-driven simulation.
AI isn't just about overcoming the challenges, but also unlocking new opportunities and possibilities. When it comes to the actual video game creation workflow, AI can streamline development by automating repetitive tasks, reducing costs, and allowing the developer to focus on strategic creative output. AI can also be used to enhance the quality of the game by scouting for bugs during QA testing. Success stories include games like Middle-earth, Shadow of War, using AI for adaptive difficulty. As we look to the future, it's set to play an even larger role in shaping the video game industry. So what does the future look like?
The only way we're gonna get through this is by sticking together, being a team.
Be careful. There's an abnormally large charger guarding the power core. Watch out.
See, you're also observant. I'm just fighting with it.
Since we are on a roll with our hidden talents, I must share that I have a knack for gardening. I've always wanted to create a beautiful garden in the kingdom, but alas, it does not fit the narrative of a powerful knight.
God, you love magic.
Okay.
I guess the future with AI and video games remains uncertain, but in the coming years you can expect faster outputs of video games using these tools, and also making gameplay more dynamic to tailor to the particular video game player.
You'll be in the video game and in the real world. It's not weird, it's pretty cool. When you're finished,
In the future, you would also expect video game generated content from the actual player to ramp up, whereby which they want a particular skin or use their face on a particular video game character. Imagine seeing your face on the new Spider-Man game or with a particular NPC like GTA's new game. That would be sick. Or imagine role-playing games like Final Fantasy where there's infinite possibilities in terms of the choices that you make.
Pong has a new kind of player, not a computer, nor a human. A cluster of living human brain cells on top of a silicon chip can play Pong. Yep, researchers in a lab taught a tiny clump of neurons. Every time the brain cells missed the ball with the paddle, the researchers stimulated them with chaotic and unpredictable bouts of electricity. On the other hand, when the neurons successfully hit the ball, they received predictable stimuli from the researchers within minutes.
Remember the days of enemies just running straight towards you? Thanks to AI, we're seeing much more dynamic and believable AI opponents. Games are using AI to analyze player behavior, adjust difficulty on the fly, and create truly challenging and immersive experiences. So what do you think about AI's role in the future of gaming? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into technology. And be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.